In a bright kitchen, a clear slime cup becomes a living color map as two simple reagents meet. When first mixed, red cabbage extract shifts pigments with acids and bases, turning the slime from violet to lime. A second drop of lemon juice and a pinch of baking soda reveals a powdery rainbow riding the surface. Tonight's experiment compares beet juice and kale extract as alternative indicators that barrel scan the same slime world. The finale shows how storage temperature nudges the hues back and forth, proving chemistry can wear many colors.